Our first step is to remove the existing landscape, such as tree stumps, weeds, and grass. Then, dispose of any excess ground cover from your installation area. Once your area is free of all ground cover, remove and cap existing sprinkler heads. The next step is to add a sub-base material such as decomposed granite, or if you're on a strict budget, level the existing landscape as is. Upon completion of grading your turf area, lay and secure a weed barrier with 5-inch nails along loose edges. Once you have your weed barrier installed, it's time to prep and cut your recycled artificial grass. When measuring your yard, make sure to take precise measurements. Cut turf with excess length to ensure proper fitment. If you have any unwanted lines or markings, cut them out from the back side of the turf with a box cutter. Now that your turf is ready, position it to the proper area of your yard. Begin laying the turf from one side of the yard towards the other. Keep in mind that all turf sections must be oriented in the same direction. You should tentatively anchor the turf in place with a few nails. Once the turf is laid out properly, it's time to secure and trim the artificial grass along the edges and seams. You can do this by nailing a 5-inch nail every 6 inches along edges and seams. When connecting two separate sections of turf, be sure to line up gaps evenly and to mimic the distance between each stitch row on the back side of the turf. If you have any existing tears or holes, they can easily be repaired by securing the loose turf with a few nails. At this point, your entire artificial grass system is secured and nailed down. The next step is to remove any leftover sport markings by painting or cutting them out. When you have completed the previous steps, begin spreading your infill of choice. Make sure to spread the infill evenly across the entire area. We recommend adding 2 pounds of infill per square foot. After your infill is dispersed, broom the infill into the turf with a push broom. This will help weigh down the artificial grass and keep the blade standing tall over time. Now that your yard is complete, enjoy your low-cost, low-maintenance, zero-water, recycled artificial grass landscape.